our hero. The pack just can't be beat. The pack is back.
Video games have taught me a lot. When I was little, I was the best reader in the entire school, not because I liked books, ew, gross, but because I wanted to play Dragon Quest VIII Journey of the Cursed King, which as a 5-year-old, just parsing that title is a pretty big hurdle, let alone whatever a quay is.
Key.
It's pronounced key? But the thing video games taught me that I didn't even fully comprehend until it was years later was programming. One of the most important things in programming is the logic behind a program, because someone who knows the language is kinda useless if they don't know how to use it, just like a real language. Unlike real languages, learning a new one is really easy. Here's the same command in 10 different languages. There's barely any difference. So the logic and reason you use the commands is the only thing that matters. They are really more like dialects than full languages. Okay, here's an example. An Aussie says, "I'm putting some shrimp on the bobby, you gonna want some, eh?" Now listen, I don't know how to do accents, but I do know about shrimp and I do know about Barbie. I don't understand the connection. But then, they tell you that they're cooking some stuff, it's on a grill, and that's what it means, blah blah blah. And basically, that's the difference between system.out.println and console.writeline. And some games have their own version of this programming dialect. Let's take a look at some examples. Our first game to talk about today is Little Big Planet 2. The Little Big Planet series are platformers, you know, like Mario with the jumps and the runs, not that kind, but Little Big Planet has a major change. You're a Sackboy. Okay, besides that, you not only play levels, but create them and share them with the world, for better or for worse. Here's a bad metaphor. Super Mario Bros. Is like the Renaissance. You got beautiful works of art, but they're pretty static. You know, you don't change Mario, you just play it. Little Big Planet 1, that's the Industrial Revolution. You got pistons, automation, crazy machines. Someone built a calculator. Little Big Planet 2 is the Computer Revolution. Boom, we got microchips, computers, complex robots, AI. It's insane. And perhaps most insane of all is that the game was able to teach 10-year-old me all of it. Little Big Planet 2 features wiring and microchips, where the player can wire robots and contraptions, such as if a switch gets pulled, detonate the bomb. That right there, that's a piece of programming logic. Let's say you want to detonate the bomb if this lever and button get hit. Well, the game has you covered with this handy dandy AND gate. When two things are true, the thing happens. That is a piece of programming logic. The game also has other logic gates like OR if either thing is true, or the NOT gate that activates when things are false. You can also combine them to create brand new logic gates. This type of logical thinking is the foundation of programming, and I didn't even realize I was doing it as a little kid. Wait, this isn't Pokemon, sorry. This is a clip of Pokemon, completely recreated in Minecraft. Wrong game, sorry, let's fix that. Now you may be wondering, what could Metroid Fusion have taught someone about programming? But if you're as experienced with the game as I am, you know that this is actually Minecraft. God damn it. Minecraft. But listen, what you may not expect is that this is Minecraft completely recreated in Java. It's written in Java. But Minecraft started off as, haha, look guys, it's video game Lego, I made a house. And now it's a literal programming tool, and that's not even slightly a joke. Remember those fun little wires in Little Big Planet? Well, in these parts we call that redstone, and the game doesn't hold your hand with convenient logic gates, you actually have to make them from scratch yourself. For example, we have AND gate, OR gate, SAND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, NOR gate, BAND gate. What the heck is a XOR? In Minecraft, you have to physically figure out how to build your own logic gates, not just drag and drop them. If you want to detonate this TNT when this lever and this button are pressed, you now have to go through the same logical steps from before to create it, but you also have to go through the logical steps to build the logic gate from before. At that point, it's arguably harder than real programming, as that is always simply there for you to use. But this really helps you learn better, because you're thinking about the problem very, very thoroughly, in a way that really reinforces the core ideas of logic and programming. Minecraft also reinforced another very valuable idea in programming. You see, in Little Big Planet, you have access to whatever you want. You have infinite resources. When surviving in Minecraft, you only have so many resources. To make something, you try to be efficient with your redstone so that you don't waste it, so that you have more to use for other things. And that's just like the goal of compressing your code to as few lines as possible so that it runs as efficiently as possible. But just like jury-rigging a computer program in a way you know can't possibly be the best way to do it, you can go mine more redstone and force it to work out just the same. But after you think, you'll come back, you'll save some of that space, save some redstone, and you'll come back and you'll save some lines of code. And that is how games taught me programming. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you another time.